back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I like to do my individual crochet goddess locks. So the first thing you do is section the hair off, and you're going to do like tiny plaits all over the head. Now you don't have to plait all the way to the bottom of the hair unless you just kind of want to. I plait about 2 inches down for each plait. So as you can see, I have one section that has been plaited and I've already attached the lock to it. I have the sections here that are already done, so you see what the finished product looks like. And of course, this top section here are the plaits that I have to work on. So I'm going to show you here. I already have the lock attached to her plaits. And I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm just going to loop that plait through one more time, and I'm just going to wrap the goddess lock around her hair. Now because these are crochet goddess locks, you can kind of unravel them and re-ravel them over your client's hair and they'll just fall neatly inside. So as you can see, I just wrap it all the way around until I get to the end of her hair, and then I just tuck the ends of her hair into the lock. And as you can see, that's the very end, and I'll just twist it inside the middle of the goddess lock, and it tucks her ends away nice and neatly. Zoom it in for you a little bit more so you can see that the lock is already attached. I crocheted that in already, and now I take my needle and crochet it in one more time just for extra security. Like so. And then we're just going to wrap this goddess lock around her hair. And now that I'm zoomed in a little bit more, you can see what I was saying when you said I can unravel the lock and then wrap it around her hair. And then just to kind of make sure it's super blended, you just push it up a little bit. But that's it. As you can see, you can't see her hair. It's just wrapped on in there. So again, we have reached the end. We have this little piece of the tail right here. I kind of put a little bit of product on it and roll it up really nicely and just tuck it into the inside of the goddess lock. And this is the finished look. They look like regular goddess locks. No one would ever know that they were crocheted, and it was half the time. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all next week for another video. Peace.